With its tempting low prices and a wide range of products, Temu has caught the attention of many shoppers with its aggressive marketing campaigns and incredibly low prices. But how are they able to accomplish this? Well, Temu's marketing strategies have been hard to miss, as the company has invested heavily in promotional campaigns. From their eye-catching $14 million Super Bowl ad to the numerous influencer endorsements saturating social media, Temu has successfully captured the attention of consumers. The allure of incredibly low prices and the tagline, "Shop like a billionaire," has piqued curiosity and generated a massive following. However, it's important to delve deeper into the ownership structure of Temu. The company is owned by a larger Chinese conglomerate called PDD Holdings. This association raises questions about the intentions and practices behind Temu's operations. Notably, Temu's sister company, Pinduoduo, faced significant issues when Google blocked it from the Play Store due to malware concerns. This connection between Temu and Pinduoduo raises eyebrows and prompts further scrutiny. While Temu has not been directly implicated in security breaches, it is noteworthy that Temu's parent company, PDD Holdings, recently shifted operations from China to Ireland and established Temu as being based in Boston. This move appears to be a strategic attempt to distance Temu from any potential associations with security concerns related to its Chinese origins. By positioning Temu as an American company with operations in Boston, PDD Holdings may be seeking to alleviate fears and establish a more favorable image. It is important to approach Temu's marketing strategies and ownership associations with a critical lens. While the company presents itself as a legitimate e-commerce entity, the connections to Pinduoduo and the shift in operations raise valid concerns about security, transparency, and potential risks for consumers. Understanding the intricacies of Temu's marketing and ownership is crucial in assessing the overall credibility and trustworthiness of the company. Temu's pricing model is one of the key factors that have contributed to its rapid rise in popularity. The company boasts incredibly low prices on a wide range of products, attracting budget-conscious consumers looking for affordable options. Temu's business model cuts out the middleman typically involved in the retail process. Unlike platforms like Amazon, which often add a markup to products sold to American audiences, Temu allows customers to buy directly from Chinese manufacturers. By bypassing intermediaries, Temu reduces costs and passes on the savings to customers. In addition to eliminating middlemen, Temu takes advantage of a trade loophole called de minimis. This loophole enables them to avoid paying taxes on most shipments to the US, keeping prices artificially low. By leveraging de minimis, Temu can offer products at prices that are significantly below what competitors may charge. While Temu's pricing model may seem attractive at first glance, it is important to consider the broader implications. Wired reports that Temu is actually losing an average of $30 per order as part of its strategy to penetrate the American market. This approach involves subsidizing the cost of products, effectively undercutting competitors to gain market share. While this may benefit consumers in the short term, it creates an unsustainable market environment where true competition and innovation suffer. Moreover, the artificially low prices offered by Temu contribute to a culture of overconsumption. Customers are enticed by the affordability and novelty of products, often purchasing items that they may not necessarily need. This trend of buying unnecessary goods, driven by cheap prices, adds to the environmental crisis we face. Overproduction and increased consumption contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, resource depletion, and waste generation, exacerbating the impact on our planet. Here are some pros you have when buying in Temu: affordable pricing, easy navigation, free shipping, huge catalog, promotions, and discounts. Also, consider these cons if you are interested in buying: slow shipping times, slow customer service, poor packaging, and delayed refunds. Temu's tagline, "Shop like a billionaire," raises significant ethical concerns. While it may appear enticing to be able to buy products at extremely low prices and emulate the spending habits of billionaires, this concept carries detrimental consequences for individuals, communities, and the environment. By encouraging consumers to shop like a billionaire, Temu promotes a culture of excessive consumption. Customers are enticed to buy products solely because they are cheap and trending, rather than considering the necessity or long-term value of the items. This kind of mindless consumption contributes to waste generation, as low-quality and unnecessary products are purchased and discarded quickly. It also perpetrates the throwaway culture that is detrimental to the environment. Moreover, the concept of shopping like a billionaire embodies the negative stereotypes associated with billionaires. It reinforces the notion that billionaires prioritize their personal desires and consumption over the well-being of communities, laborers, and the environment. By adopting this approach, consumers may unknowingly align themselves with the irresponsible behaviors often criticized among the billionaire class. Furthermore, Temu's business practices may have adverse effects on laborers and communities involved in the production of its products. The drive for extremely low prices may lead to labor exploitation, unsafe working conditions, and inadequate wages. This is especially concerning when considering Temu's association with PDD Holdings, which has faced labor-related scandals with its sister company, Pinduoduo. Supporting a company that potentially disregards labor rights and community well-being raises serious ethical questions. In the context of sustainability and environmental responsibility, shopping like a billionaire with Temu directly contradicts the urgent need for conscious consumption and reducing our ecological footprint. The wealthiest individuals already bear significant responsibility for global greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting a culture that mimics their consumption patterns exacerbates the disparities in responsibility and sustainability. Embracing the concept of shopping like a billionaire through Temu perpetuates harmful consumption patterns, disregards labor rights, and contributes to environmental degradation. It is crucial for consumers to critically examine the ethical implications of supporting a company that promotes mindless consumption, undermines labor standards, and exacerbates environmental challenges. By making conscious purchasing decisions and advocating for sustainable practices, individuals can contribute to a more equitable and environmentally responsible future. In general, Temu is a legitimate online marketplace owned by Pinduoduo, a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. However, customer reviews indicate potential concerns regarding late delivery, incorrect sizing, and counterfeit items. While Temu offers a purchase protection program to safeguard buyers against damaged goods or fraud, it's essential to exercise caution and read product reviews before making a purchase. Ultimately, if you're looking for low-priced items directly from Chinese suppliers, Temu can be a viable option, but be aware of the potential risks involved.